Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar, and today we're going to do a quick daily tarot card reading for 3rd October 2021. So it's a pick a card reading. So there would be three options. You can go ahead and pick up either of the options. Let's understand how your day is going to be like. These are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with all of you. However, if they do, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get started. So this is option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3. I'm pulling this as an oracle energy card. I will also pull one tarot card each for each option, and let's understand how the overall energies are going to be. Okay, you can go ahead and select either of the options, either option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, and let's just understand how the day is going to be for all of you. So if you've selected option number 1, then you've got walking away and two of wands. So two of wands usually represents that your research, dedication and hard work has actually led you to a certain destination that you always wanted to be on. And if you want to achieve more success, then you need to continue on the same path as well. It also suggests that on one hand you feel secure, you feel established. On the other hand, it is actually giving you anxious nights to understand what next is aligned for you as well. So you are at that junction where you feel that whatever you needed to establish, you've already established, and now you want to understand what is next for you. And in that chaos or in that dilemma of decision making is what next we can do. Should we continue to do what you're doing so far, or should we go ahead and explore the world and find out new possibilities? So you are at that crossroad right now. You have to make a decision probably, and only your own intuitions, your own research or your own hard work will only tell you which way you are supposed to go ahead with. However, this card is supported by a walking away energy. Now, walking away energy is usually energy that you're walking away from something, just like the name suggests. So, because this card is supported with the walking away energy, it is usually recommended that you need to walk away from the current situation and move towards a new direction or a new unknown, per se, to understand what more can you explore in the world. There may be something that you have finished with, and perhaps a career, relationship, or a goal, a long term experience of any kind is now over with, and it is now time to start something new as well for yourself. This card also indicates that now would be the good time to let go of an old habit, old emotional patterns, old false beliefs as well. And no matter how deeply you are ingrained with those negative patterns, you now have the power to release them and move on in a healthier way towards a new beginning. So these two cards coming in together, usually only two of wands will come into picture, where you have to make a choice whether you want to stay and continue on the existing path that you have chosen for yourself, or you want to go ahead into the unknown and explore and you know understand what the new beginnings and new possibilities are there for you, and you stay in that dilemma. But the supporting energy is definitely asking you to walk away from the existing cycles, from the existing path that you have taken, and try something new. So definitely most of you would be trying something new that you haven't been done so far, that is absolutely unknown to you, and it is going to give you some anxious days, but that's the way it is. That's how the forward movement is going to be for most of you. So don't hesitate, don't question, don't second thought. It is time to move on. If you've selected option number 2, Then you've got a man holding a heart and High Priestess. Now, High Priestess is a card of, it's again major arcana card. It's a card of intuitiveness. It's a card of divine interventions as well, or divine divinity per se. Uh, Divine feminine energy who's there to give you guidance, and most probably it reflects on your spiritual aspects, on your sixth sense, or your intuition power that is at the highest right now. So go ahead and believe on your intuitive power and tap into your intuitive power to seek more clarity, to seek more answers as well. It is also accompanied with a oracle energy card of a man holding a heart. So I feel this reading is more to do with a love interest coming your way. And let's just understand how that card is represented over here. So this energy card could also represent a man who's dealing with a family, love, or emotions. This card actually signals a greater clarity about emotions and their purpose in your life as well. So it could be either you who's getting that clarity on your emotional aspect, and you're getting more answers as to which path you need to take, be in especially in your relationship matter, or it could be somebody that you know and who is now getting that clarity as to what direction that person needs to take. There is going to be a more balanced approach towards family and love at this time, and even if these have been confusing experiences for you in the past, now is the time that you're gonna get more clarity on this. And with this High Priestess coming into picture, where your intuitions are going to be super strong, I think these are supporting energies for each other. So most of you people who have fought, or you who have experienced a lot of confusion in decision making for the past couple of weeks with respect to your family, with respect to your love relationship, with respect to the emotional aspect of your life, here is the answer that is coming your way. So tomorrow, 3rd of October, is the day where you will get more clarity on the decision making. So look out for those signs. This card can also represent a presence of a new man in your life as well. To for all the single people around out there, this could represent a beginning of a more thoughtful, meaningful relationship as well. So, if you've selected option number 2, intuition is the key. Tap into your self intuition and trust your gut feeling. If you have selected option number 3, then you've got the 7th chakra of Archangel Uriel. That's the crown chakra actually. And you've also got the Sun card. So, major arcana card again, the Sun is a card representing new beginnings, new birth, or it could be a beginning of a new relationship or new business, or a birth of a new idea as well. So Sun coming into picture, it's an absolute positive indication that whatever new venture you're getting into is going to be fruitful for you, be it a new relationship, or be it a new business, or be it a new job, be it a new career point of view perspective, or something new that you are trying to learn as well. So those things are going to tap in more positive energies for you, which will lead to abundance, which will lead to happiness, which will lead to satisfaction as well. So Sun is a good oracle energy card. Sorry, Sun is accompanied with your good oracle energy card of crown chakra getting highlighted. So let's just understand how the crown chakra is placed as well for the reading. So crown chakra actually represents your spirit connections and intuitions and inspirations. So the Archangel Uriel is also known as the uh, fire of God, and she wears a brilliant crystal crown vibrating with passionate connections to the divine. Now she brings in a great power to to your seventh energy center, which is also called as your crown chakra, and is located at the top of your head. Now, this card upright indicates an open and free flowing channel of information and inspiration from your wonderful spirit world. This could also be a time for great intuitions and guidance from your higher awareness. So, allow yourself to quiet your mind and listen. So yes, definitely you most of you are getting more awareness around your situation. So that's it guys, that's it from my end. I hope you've liked the reading. So if you've select again, these are new time for new beginnings as well, and for the two cards, your intuition powers are very strong. So go ahead and tap into your intuitive powers and take the decision with more logic. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a lovely day, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.